Hey yo, what is up people? Welcome to One to Step YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can add your Discord link on TikTok. And it's pretty simple than you guys think. So let's start the video. But before I start the video, I'd like you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our channel One to Step so you guys can get notified for future tutorial videos and more Discord related videos as well. So let's start the video. First thing, you want to open your Discord because we want to copy the link of our Discord channel so we can paste it in TikTok. After your Discord opens, you want to go to the channel whose link you want to copy. Now remember, you need to be the admin of the Discord server to do this. So just keep that in mind. So let's say I want to copy this Discord channel's link. I want to, go to this Discord. Once I'm in this Discord, I want to click on where it says invite members. Click on invite members. Now I want to click on this gear icon over here beside the link. So I'm going to click on it. Now I want this to expire after. So I want to put this in no limit so that I want anyone to join even after 1 or 2 years of clicking the link. So now I can click on create link. And after the link is created, I want to click on share link and I want to copy the link. Once I copy the link, I want to go out of Discord. I want to go to my TikTok so I can paste it on my bio. Now remember, I can just click on edit profile and paste this link on my bio, but if I do that, this link is not going to be, clickable. So it's just going to be over there, but people have to copy it and paste it. It's not going to be clickable. So to make it clickable, we want to switch our account to pro account. So for that, click on this three dot, click on manage account, click on switch to pro account. Once you're over here, you want to click on where it says businesses. You want to click on business and you can choose whichever category you want from here. I want to go for gaming. It's just a random one, so you can choose whichever you want. And after you're done with it, you want to click on skip and you want to click on where it says edit profile. Once you're on your edit profile, you want to click on where it says website, right? You want to click on website and paste the website link of your Discord and click on save. Go back again. And as you guys can see, you have a clickable link of Discord and the person can just click on it and join your Discord server. So that's how you guys can do it. So if you guys found this video, then hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel One to Step, and I will see you guys in my next video.